They were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool.
I swear, every time I turn my camera on is the moment my dogs decide to start wrestling each other. If it's not my dogs, it's the kids. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. I am going to be bringing you guys some Friday motivation with a little cooking and cleaning in today's video. We are going to be making a new dinner recipe that I've never tried before. I actually found it on Pinterest, so I'm going to leave the original recipe link down below. But it is called a chicken Caesar pasta, and it's a one-pot meal. It looks really good, so I'm excited to give that a try. And then we are going to clean up this house after a day full of lots of kids here. Brayden had a few different cousins here today, and there's just been a lot of playing, so we have some picking up to do tonight as well. But before we get into this, I just wanted to take a quick second to say that today's video is also in collaboration with Corrina from Life's Little Things here on YouTube. Corrina is such a sweetheart. I actually recently connected with her, and I was binge watching some of her videos more recently, and I actually found out that her and I started YouTube around the same time, so we've both been doing it for a while, like 4 years, which I thought was pretty cool. Corrina also posts all sorts of videos very similar to mine. She does a lot of recipes, cleaning, decorating, all of that fun stuff. So if you guys enjoy the homemaking type of content, then definitely check out her channel after you're done watching my video and let her know that I sent you if you do head over there. But we're gonna go ahead and get right into preparing our dinner because we have to do some pre-preparations before we can actually cook. And I got a nail appointment tonight at 7 o'clock, so we are gonna get some cooking and cleaning done before we go to that. That way when I get home, I don't have to worry about cooking or cleaning. Specifically cleaning, and I can just relax. So let's get right into this. Okay, so first I have 2 chicken breasts here that I have cut in half, and we're gonna go ahead and salt and pepper both sides of these chicken breasts before we continue on. Bam! Okay, now I have a Ziploc bag here, and we're gonna go ahead and place our chicken breast in this Ziploc bag, and then we're just gonna drench it with some creamy Caesar dressing and pop this in the fridge for at least 20 minutes, the recipe says, but we're gonna leave them in there until we are ready to do our cooking. Something you might know about me if you've been here for a while as well is that I get my recipes, but I don't fully follow them. So like I said, wow, okay, can I even open this? Okay, this is a struggle when my husband's not home. I swear I can never open things when he's not home, and then there's like no one for me to turn to. So I just struggle. We're gonna get a knife and poke a hole. Finding ways around it. All right. So anyways, if you have been here for a while, you know I don't fully follow recipes like this right now. I don't know how much we're actually supposed to be putting in here, but I also don't really think it matters too much. So that is why I say I'll leave the recipe link down below for you guys, because that will have all the measurements, and I want to give credit where credit is due. I did not come up with this recipe, so I will definitely leave that link in the description box for you guys. Alright, I think that's good. I probably did like a half a cup. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this in the fridge, and we are gonna get a little bit of cleaning done while we let this marinate.
Jumping out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said.
So while the chicken is marinating, we're going to go ahead and get started on some laundry. I had so much laundry to do this day, and I'm going to go ahead and put on some YouTube videos while I fold laundry. I basically always watch YouTube when I clean, and that has me curious. What do you guys do when you clean? Do you listen to music or podcasts or YouTube? I almost always turn on a YouTube video. Today I was watching my friend Shanti from Shanti's Lifestyle.
I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer? closer now, 'cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a...
Did you guys think we were done? Because guess what? We ain't ever done with laundry around here.
And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my...
If you guys are new here, whether you came from Corrina's channel or if you just stumbled across this video, I just wanted to take a second to say hi and welcome. My name's Tristina and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys, and I post all sorts of content that has to do with homemaking, motherhood, all of that fun stuff. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, it would mean so much to me if you'd press the subscribe button and became part of my YouTube family. And also introduce yourself in the comments down below, because I love getting to chat with you. That's like one of my favorite parts about YouTube, is the adult interaction that I don't always get on a day-to-day basis being a stay-at-home mom.
Okay, so now we are over at the oven. I have my Dutch oven out and we're gonna add some olive oil to it, like 2 tablespoons or so, and let that heat up before we start searing our chicken. So once our oil is heated up, we're gonna start searing our chicken. Oh yeah. I can't be the only one, right? I swear there is no in between when it comes to heating oil. It's either like I have something to do so I walk away while it heats up and it's sizzling hot like that, or it's I stand there and I'm waiting and I'm like, okay, is this ever gonna heat up? Because I gotta get to cooking. There's never like a nice like medium for me. Tell me I'm not alone. All right, so while that is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and add about 3/4 cup of milk. So like 3/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of the Caesar dressing. And then it says to whisk it all together and let it sit to the side because you want it to be at room temperature. And then I'm also gonna go ahead and take out my shredded Parmesan cheese because it says you want that to be at room temperature as well. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and flip these bad boys over. Whoa. This is why you use the correct kitchen utensils and not just a fork. But I'm lazy and like less dishes if I use just a fork. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and sit the chicken aside. Now that it's nice and golden brown. I just rinsed out my pan because it was a little too crispy looking on the bottom for me. But I added a little bit more of olive oil, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cook up my garlic. Once your garlic's cooked, we're gonna go ahead and add the milk and Caesar dressing mixture. And then we're also gonna add in like 1.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm also gonna go ahead and add in some garlic powder for good measure. And also just a little bit more pepper. And then we're also gonna go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of capers. Next, we're gonna add in our pasta. I'm using angel hair pasta, and you're gonna do, it says 8 ounces. So like half of this box. I'm also gonna go ahead and just prep this nice, you know, pre-made Caesar salad because I feel like that just goes perfectly with Caesar chicken.
Once your noodles are done cooking, you're gonna go ahead and add in some shredded Parmesan cheese and stir that all together until it's nice and melted, and then add back in your chicken that you cut up into different chunks and squeeze in some lemon juice. And this is what it looks like when it's all done.
Okay, so that was really good. I'll definitely make it again, but next time I'm definitely adding more liquid because at the end it was very like sticky, if you know what I mean, when pasta doesn't have enough like sauce on it or whatever. It was just super sticky. And also I'll definitely double the recipe next time because we did not get a lot of food for our family of 4 at all. But other than that, it was really good.
Forever, and I won't waste it.
Now it is time to clean up the kitchen after cooking because it is always a mess after I cook. Can anybody ever keep their kitchen clean while they cook, or is it just me that is not capable of doing that?
Yeah.
it comes to cleaning my sink, I always use Barkeeper's Friend. You just sprinkle it in and then scrub it down with a sponge, and my sink always comes out sparkling clean. And I also do this on my stovetop. It works so well.
I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
Before we head back to the kitchen and dining room to clean the floors, we're gonna head into the living room to pick up all of the toys for about the 110th time this day. I swear I am always picking up toys. But honestly, I am so grateful for all of these little messes that my children leave around my house.
Be without you now, I just can't see how. Not even if I tried. Ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how. 'Cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright. 'Cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me. 'Cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
You guys, this Gain all-purpose, I don't even know what it is exactly. I think it's like an all-purpose thing, but I use it for my mop water. It smells amazing. It leaves my house smelling so fresh and clean. I have been loving using this lately.
That you've never been, I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know
much for getting all that done before I went to go get my nails done, because it is 12:30 and I'm just sitting down now to edit this video to get it up in the morning for you guys. I am the worst ever and have like no sense of time, and I'm constantly doing everything last minute like this, and I just need to get like ahead of schedule so I can stop staying up way too late to get my videos up. But nails are done, the house is clean, and I stopped at Target, so do you guys want to see what I got? Probably not, but I'm going to show you anyways. I picked Tristan up a few pieces for spring and summer. Brayden still fits into like all of his summer clothes from last year, so I don't really need to get him much, but Tristan, I've been picking up a few things. Whenever I see things that I like, in the art class section had some cute things, and I actually started looking online when I got home, and they have a lot of cute things in both of their sizes. And if you guys have been following it for a while, you know I love to make them match. So even though Brayden doesn't need things, I've been buying him things so they can match. But I just got a few things for Tristan, so I picked him up this shirt, which is so cute. It's just got like the palm trees and the sun setting, and this was $8. I'm already buying him 2T. My little 13-month-old already in 2T. And then I picked up this pair of shorts. They're like the, you know, got like the moto, what is it called, like the moto style or whatever. These were $10, and like how cute, how cute. And then I also picked him up this zip up hoodie, which I actually just ordered the same one for Brayden online because I didn't have it in store for him. But this was $16, and again, just with like the moto arms or whatever. And then this one's like acid washed. I thought that was super cute, and it's like not too heavy, so it's perfect for spring. And then I was really excited to find this because since my child's a giant, he doesn't get to wear any like one-piece outfits. And they had these cute little rompers. There's a sticker on there. They went all the way up to 5T, so if you have big kids like I do. I got this one in 2T, and it's just got like little diamonds all over it. And it's just a little short romper set, and this was $14. So that's everything I picked up for Tristan. And then I just picked this up for our bathroom. It just says wash your hands by the hearth and hand section. This one's like upside down, so you know. This was $14.99, and we're actually in the process of giving our bathroom like a little makeover, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys in some vlogs and stuff coming up. But I got that to go on to go above a shelf when the makeover's over, so I will show you guys, like I said, in some upcoming vlogs. But super cute, super cute. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press the subscribe button so you get notified every time I post. Also, please go check out Corrina's channel. I will have her video and her channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!